In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog post on Shopify in just a few simple steps. Whether you're running an online store or just sharing some insights with your audience, blogging can be a powerful tool to engage and inform. So let's get started right away. First things first, you'll need to have access to your Shopify store and be logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard, also known as My Store Home on Shopify. This is your starting point for accessing all the features of your Shopify store and where you'll begin this process. Next, locate the Content menu option. This might be on the left-hand side of your dashboard, depending on your version or customizations of Shopify. Clicking on the Content option will bring up various subcategories related to content creation and management on your website. It's like the hub for everything related to what your users see in terms of articles and posts. Once you're on the content page, direct your attention to the blog posts link. This is where all the magic happens for writing and managing your blog articles. Clicking on blog posts will present you with a list of any existing posts, and if this is your first time, the list may be empty or consist of just a few entries. Here you can edit and manage your published posts or keep drafts that you're still working on. Now let's move on to creating a new blog post. To do this, you need to find the Create Blog Post button. Usually this button is prominently displayed on the blog posts page, waiting to be clicked on so you can start crafting your masterpiece. Clicking this opens up a new blank post template where you get to showcase your creativity. At this point, it's all about filling in the details of your post. You'll see fields for your post title where you should enter a captivating and concise title that encapsulates what your article is about. Remember, your title is not just a header, but a hook that can draw in readers, so choose it wisely. Below that, the main content area allows you to input the body of your blog post. Here you can write your text, insert images, add links, and format your post to ensure it's both informative and visually appealing. Lastly, don't forget to make use of the post settings. These might include options for tagging your post, selecting the appropriate blog if you have multiple, and adjusting the SEO settings to optimize how search engines find and display your post. Once you're satisfied with your post's content and settings, you can either save it as a draft if you're not quite ready to publish, or hit the Publish button to make it live for your audience. And there you have it, a new blog post ready to engage your Shopify audience. Follow these steps every time you wish to create a new post, and soon enough, you'll have a collection of articles that inform and entertain your customers while enhancing your store's online presence. Happy blogging!